ZTE's Axon 30 Ultra has been released and it's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it looks great. It really is really a flagship tier smartphone that one really would like to own. So what are you getting here? It has a 6.67-inch display. It's coming with multiple cameras set up, 3 cameras at the back, 64 megapixel, which is the main camera, 8 megapixel telephoto. You have the 64 megapixel is made by Sony, so it's the IMX686 sensor, has optical image stabilization. You really get decent performance out of such optics. It all depends on the processing of of the camera app. The way it captures the images and even the videos would determine how it compares to the other brands out there. You have 8 megapixel telephoto. The only downside here is that it does not record 8K videos. Sorry, this one can record 8K videos. Sorry, it's the Sony that I announced yesterday, the Xperia 1 Mark III, that doesn't record 8K videos. This one does record 8K videos and they claim it has an artificial intelligence in it, which is okay. It has a night mode feature on it as well. It's very well built in its look overall. The internals, like I said, it's coming with an AMOLED panel, 6.67-inch. You get the Snapdragon 888. It's 5G connectivity. It's also coming with either 8 gigs of RAM or 12 gigs. You can get storages in either 128 or 256 gig. It's coming with a 66-watt charging system. It's also coming with ZTE's own My OS 11 interface, which is placed on Android 11. So it's definitely going to look very nice overall. So price tag of this product is really not cheap. It's really not going to be that cheap, even though it's not yet reviewed the price, but I expect this price for this ZTE Axon 30 U Ultra to be around the $800 mark. It could be more, but I really don't expect it to be more than $800, but I could be wrong. When the price tag is revealed, I'll be sure to bring you guys the update to that. Do subscribe to our channel, like our content, follow social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.